Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to read the story Max Takes the Train. It was written by Rosemary Wells. Does anyone know what the person is called who writes the story? The author. That's right. How about the person who draws the pictures? The person who drew the pictures for this story, her name is Jody Wheeler. Does anybody know what her job is called? The illustrator. You're right again. Max takes the train. Zeke's Palace of Ice Cream ran a special on their double chocolate ice cream Wham burger with coconut curls and red sprinkles. Max wanted one. No, Max, said Max's sister Ruby. Zeke's Palace of Ice Cream is too far away. But Uncle Bunny said, let's go. Max put on his junior citizen transportation pass around his neck, and they went out and waited for the bus at the bus stop sign. A big red bus came along. Put, put, put went the bus. The bus went into the city center, but it did not pass Zeke's Palace of Ice Cream. Max and Uncle Bunny got off the bus. Where to? Asked Uncle Bunny. Max saw the sign for the Blue Comet Express. They went up the escalator and boarded the Blue Comet. Choo, 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 went the Blue Comet. The train passes houses and farms, but it did not go to Zeke's Palace of Ice Cream. Max and Uncle Bunny hopped off the train. Max spotted a sign for the ferry boat. They boarded the ferry boat. Chugga, 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 went the ferry boat. The ferry boat crossed the lake, but it did not go to Zeke's Palace of Ice Cream. On the other side of the lake was a sign for AeroZoom. Max and Uncle Bunny followed the arrows down the jetway. They took seats on the plane. They fastened their seat belts and made sure their tray tables were in an upright position. Coffee, tea, or milk? Asked the flight attendant. Max did not want coffee, tea, or milk. He wanted the chocolate Wham burger. Zoom, zoom, zoom went the plane. But the plane did not land at Zeke's Palace of Ice Cream. In the airport, there was a sign for the Metro subway liner. Max and Uncle Bunny went down, 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 underground into the subway tunnel. They chose the yellow line. They minded the gap and the closing doors. Clicka, clicka, clicka went the Metro subway liner. The subway came to its first stop. In the station was a picture of a double chocolate Wham burger with coconut curls and the red sprinkles. Let's go, said Uncle Bunny. At the top of the steps was Zeke's, large as life. Max and Uncle Bunny put in their orders. 2 double Wham burgers with the works, yelled Zeke. But 2 double hamburgers were too much for Max and Uncle Bunny to finish. "Oh, we had better call Ruby," said Uncle Bunny. On the back of Max's junior citizen transport pass was his telephone number. Max dialed it. Ruby answered. "Where are you?" asked Ruby. "At Zeke's," said Max. Ruby attached the sidecar to her bicycle, built for 2. She rode all the way to Zeke's palace of ice cream without stopping. Zeke kept the hamburger cold for Ruby, but even Ruby couldn't finish it. They all got on the bicycle built for 2 with the sidecar and brought the rest of the hamburger back to Grandma. I hope you enjoyed our story for today, boys and girls. I want you to think about the ways Max and Uncle Bunny traveled and the way that Ruby traveled in this story. And maybe make a list of the ways they chose to travel along their adventure. Have a great day. Bye.